CentraHub CRM brings quick and easy to deploy solutions to your business right out of the box with high degrees of scalability and flexibility. The product was introduced in 2012 with 150,000 global users in over 17 countries. Facilities Maintenance Management, CAFM, Field Service Automation maintains a centralized list of owned, leased, or customer assets and facilities within your portfolio and automates their planned preventative maintenance, PPM, and corrective or reactive maintenance management. Whether you're a real estate community, facilities manager, service provider, or developer, CentraHub is for you. Maintain property locations across dimensions of ventures, properties, blocks, floors, and asset area. These can be used to properly identify and locate assets for maintenance. Maintain property asset masters by asset types. Capture key metrics of assets, including vendor, warranty, category, life expectancy, and more. Generate and tag assets with unique barcodes for accurate identification. Maintain service masters across all assets, listing the tasks that are to be performed during the preventive maintenance, PPMs. Create customer accounts and customer contact masters, and tag properties and assets to relevant owners and their points of contact. Build and track maintenance opportunities, generate quotes, and win contracts through a strong sales funnel for providing facilities maintenance services. If you're a facilities owner, accept tenders and bids of vendors for maintaining your property assets and award contracts from within CentraHub. SLAs determine the response time, resolution plan time, and resolve time goals for work orders under a specific contract. They also detail the working hours, extended hours, and non-working hours of operation by asset category. Additionally, they keep track of parts discounts and escalation hierarchies, ensuring work orders are resolved on time, every time. Generate contracts that list assets by location for a customer, identified by their unique barcodes. Establish maintenance frequencies such as daily, weekly, monthly, and more. Define maintenance durations for each scheduled preventive maintenance service request and allocate service level agreements, SLAs, to determine maintenance response time, resolution plan time, and resolved time. Automatically generate maintenance schedules for the contract periods by asset and automatically assign and allocate maintenance jobs to teams, service providers, or outsourced contractors by using our skill set queues. This contract automatically creates, activates, and assigns work orders to relevant teams, ensuring prompt and timely maintenance of assets. Generate reactive or corrective maintenance requests and work orders through call centers, customer portals, Internet of Things integration, mobile apps, and more. Work orders are automatically assigned to service providers based on locations and skill set queues. Service providers provide before and after pictures of work completed, upload attachments as needed, correspond with customers or asset managers, and generate notes against work orders. Additionally, they provide work logs capturing status updates of the work orders and hours invested. Task-wise updates can also be captured, and work orders can be marked as billable or free, depending on the terms of the contract. Service providers can request for parts and update parts replaced or serviced, keeping the inventory team updated with relevant parts information. Automatically generate billable work order invoices and email them to clients with an integrated payment gateway link. On payment, automatically generate receipts and email them to clients. Build customized surveys across processes of property and asset maintenance and capture customer feedback and satisfaction. Use automation tools to build workflows, including sending email, SMS, creating tasks, updating records, and configure approval conditions to track turnaround times with escalations to ensure timely approvals are received. Use built-in standard reports, create custom reports, and build dashboards based on user requirements. Ready, automated, RESTful APIs allow you to push information about your facilities maintenance activities to third-party API-enabled apps. Integrate with your favorite applications across ERP, telephony, CTI, social media, e-commerce, Zapier, emailing and mass mailing, digital document signatures, cloud data storage, Google Maps, and more. Integrate with legacy or other third-party systems using RESTful APIs. So what are you waiting for? Contact your CentraHub CRM partner to get in touch with a product specialist or visit CentraHubCRM.com/pricing to compare our versions and try one that's best suited for your business needs now for free. We look forward to digitally transforming your business.